Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine in your homes with the grace of Almighty Allah. So in the last session we had learnt about plateaus of Andhra Pradesh. So in this session we are going to learn about plains in Andhra Pradesh and diversity in lifestyles. In Andhra Pradesh, plains are situated in coastal districts. The plains are stretching from Srikakulam district to Nellore district in the south. They are known as coastal plains. Plain areas are important for agriculture because the alluvial soil are deposited there and they are deep and fertile. On the other hand, plain areas support grasslands which provide fodders for livestock. After harvesting of crops, the dry grass is stored as fodders to feed farm animals. In Andhra Pradesh, two main rivers, Godavari and Krishna, form a very big plain in the form of delta. This delta area has formed due to continuous deposition of sand in the rivers like Krishna and Godavari. Widest plains are found in Krishna and Godavari districts. The plains found in Guntur, Krishna, and Godavari districts are famous for rich fertility and principal crops like paddy, sugarcane, chilies, and turmeric. In Guntur district, the uplands have black soil, which are more suitable for cotton and chili crops. The delta plains are teasure house for food grains and are called rice granary of South India. The location of this delta you can observe on the screen. The underground water sources are very rich and can be found at a depth of only 15 to 25 feet in these plains. Underground water irrigation system is common in higher lands where canal irrigation system is not possible. The farmers of these areas, particularly higher lands, have been changing their cropping patterns towards commercial and cash crops like vegetables, fruits, and tobacco. However, the paddy crop has been cultivated extensively. The paddy monsoon crop is called Kharif and winter crop is called as Rabi crop. The eastern coastal plain of Andhra Pradesh is narrow, except in the Krishna and Godavari delta. Minor delta plains like the Vamsadhara in Srikakulam and the Penna in Nellore districts. These plains are having famous lakes like Kolleru Freshwater Lake and Pulikat Saltwater Lake. Kolleru Lake is located in West Godavari and Pulikat Lake is located in Nellore district. The entire plain area in Andhra Pradesh is a gift to farmers for cultivation. Here the main occupation is agriculture and more than one crop can be cultivated in major parts of the plain regions. Hence, this area is known for population and settlement density. Do you know students what is cash crop, food crop and aquaculture? Let's see what are they. Cash crop. It gives more income or profit to the farmers. It is also known as commercial crop. Example for cash crops are groundnuts, turmeric, sugarcane and tobacco. Now, food crop. Food crop is a crop grown for consumption. Example for food crop is paddy, millets, vegetables, etc. They are also sold for cash if they are in surplus. Surplus means in higher quantity. Now, aquaculture. The rearing of aquatic animals for food is known as aquaculture. Aqua means water. Fish, prawns, shrimps, crabs are grown in tanks. Recently, most of the farmers in coastal districts are shifting to aquaculture. Most of the paddy growing fields are converted into aquaculture ponds. This conversion of fields to aquaculture may result to water pollution. Now, diversity in lifestyles. We find many landforms in different parts of Andhra Pradesh, and we can find different situations in different regions. Physical and climatic features shown the economic activities of a region. People living in the plain depends on agriculture, while people in the coastal areas depend on fishing for their livelihood. Basket weaving, fishing, pig rearing, work in poultry, and rice mills are the non farming activities in plain areas. Whereas sheep herding, charcoal batti, making of cement bricks are done in the plateau regions. In mountainous regions, rearing of animals and collection of forest products like fruits, gums, and honey is common. Whereas hilly lands provide favorable climatic conditions for the cultivation of coffee and tea. And bamboo is taken from forest and used for making baskets, winnowing fans, and chicken coops, and they sell them in the markets. Paper mill agent will give them work to cut bamboos, and it gives good income for the tribal people. The tribal people follow different culture of their own. They do not destroy the forest that they use. Their lifestyle is eco-friendly. Food, clothing, occupation, and livelihood of the people is closely connected with the regional physical surroundings and climate. Okay, students, so this is about plains of Andhra Pradesh. This is the last session of this chapter. Allah Hafiz.